Business phone service Sunny Isles. Business phone service Sunny Isles is a VoIP and IT entrepreneur and have focused our business solely on the IP communication sector and information and technology. We provide additional services like hosted PBX, on-site PBX, toll-free numbers, SIP trunking, divert calls and emails, voicemails, and more. No porting fees, no setup fees ever. SMS feature is now available. Sharing with the team just got easier. Send images, videos, documents or any kind of file. The relative simplicity of implementing a cloud-based VoIP system makes it the ideal option for most small businesses. It gives your company access to all of the modern-day business phone system features, without the upfront cost of having to build out a dedicated on-premise system or the required staff to maintain it. It also gives your employees the flexibility needed to work from anywhere, because they can access your business communications network from an app on their cell phone. Consider your options and the way in which your business interacts with a phone system to complete your work and make a choice. We are here to help you. Call us at 786-627-6823. For more information, please visit our website, www.onevoicetech.com, or contact us through phone 786-627-6823. You can visit our office, 17103 North Bay Road, Sunny Isles Beach, Florida, 33160. Business phone service Sunny Isles.